One busy morning, Oliver was getting ready for school when he noticed something strange. One of his shoes was missing. He looked under the bed, behind the door, and inside the cupboard, but it was nowhere to be found. After breakfast, Oliver heard a soft giggle. The missing shoe was hopping across the living room. Before Oliver could stop it, the shoe ran out the door. Oliver followed it through the garden, past the park, and down the street. The shoe jumped over puddles, rolled down a hill, and finally stopped near the playground. There, Oliver saw something important. A little boy was sitting on a bench, crying because his shoe was torn. Oliver took off his extra shoe and gave it to the boy. Suddenly, the magical shoe stopped moving and became normal again. Oliver understood why it had run away. It wanted to help someone. That day, Oliver went to school wearing mismatched shoes, but with a happy heart. He learned that kindness sometimes takes us on unexpected adventures, and those adventures are always worth it.